Safeguarding your high-value wire transfers with Wells Fargo is critical, and today we'll walk through the essentials. First, always ensure you're on the official Wells Fargo website or using their verified mobile app to initiate any transfer. Double-check the URL for HTTPS and look for the padlock icon in your browser's address bar to confirm a secure connection. Next, brace yourself for the authentication procedures. Wells Fargo employs robust security measures like multi-factor authentication. Be ready to enter codes sent to your phone or use a security token. This extra layer is crucial for confirming your identity. Before you send a single dollar, meticulously verify all recipient information. Confirm the full legal name, bank name, account number, and routing number directly with the recipient through a trusted alternative communication method. Never solely rely on email, which can be compromised. Be acutely aware of potential risks. Phishing scams and imposter frauds are rampant. Wells Fargo will never ask for your full password or personal information via unsolicited emails or text. If something feels off, it probably is. Finally, actively utilize Wells Fargo's security features. Familiarize yourself with their fraud reporting tools and know how to contact their support immediately if you suspect any unauthorized activity. Your proactive approach is your strongest defense. By following these steps, you can ensure a safe and reliable money transfer experience for your high-value transactions.